think there's a water spout.
This is the sky. Over there, it's still fairly light. There's a few clouds, but it's a bit light, and then you just go over here, and the camera will adjust a bit. It's very, very dark. That sky's very dark.
Angry, we're going to do a video in the shed?
No, but you're going to stand out in the backyard and tell me how big the hail gets, okay?
Okay.
Because I actually...
Look how quickly the clouds are going. They're like saying, hello, I'm a cloud going very fast.
Yeah.
And they're all kind of brown and blue and green, which means they've got hail in them.
Yeah. I actually just got a text message from my insurance company that, because they know where I live, and they said, high probability of hail in your area. I'm not sure if you can see the flashes of lightning. I don't know if the video's picking them up. Yeah, normally, okay, here we are in the backyard, because we haven't written a script for Wangafat Wednesday yet.
It's the Mayan Day of Reckoning.
It is. It's a bit early. It's not 2012 yet. There's the shed, okay, where we normally film.
Oh, here we go!
That sounds like hail already.
It's coming down now.
We're not girls.
No, much.
Okay. It's like, it wasn't even rain, it started with hail. But I'm just saying, there's probably not going to be a Wangafat Wednesday, because that's the shed, and we'll be trapped in this. So, that's got a bit light all suddenly. I'm not sure what that's about.
Refraction of the hailstone.
Yeah. The sun's got behind something. Oh, here we go.
Bloody hell. You got tiles, don't you?
Yes.
Good.
House roof's actually been recently retiled.
Oh, love.
Yeah. I'll smash a bunch of brand new tiles.
We should go travelling in this.
We should. Let's go for a drive. That would be an awesome idea. Yeah.
The temperature's still high.
Yeah. Now the wind's coming up. Alright, now the rain's starting. There's a little bit of, the noise is, there's a little bit of corrugated iron just above us. Most of the roof of my place is tile. But there's a little bit of corrugated iron just above us. Yeah, okay.
Well, okay. I will stand out here like you said, and you can
tell me how big the hail gets.
Right.
Yeah.
So far it's this big.
Yeah.
I'll catch another one. It's this big. Just got hit on the frickin' shoulder. Ow. Surfing right bench, stupid. Empty winds by lots of things.
Yeah. I think this is still only the leading edge of what's coming.
Oh, I believe you.
It's not even looking that bad. If this was all that was happening, you'd just think it would just be normal rain. I just think there's something still to come.
I think there's something apocalyptic on its way.
By the clicking of my thumbs, something wicked this way comes. Alright. Yeah, let's play inside. What's up, Shadow? Do you not like that? Neither do we.
Shadow the cat.
The garden will be happy if it doesn't drown. Yeah, it's still only rain. It's gotten very heavy.